Today we will learn ribbon hand embroidery flower. This flower can be used in any type of hand embroidery design. Even you can use it as a button. For that you need 3 mm size ribbon and straw needle and pearls, or you can use beads. Size of the pearl is around 5 mm and the ribbon is 3 mm. Let's start. Tie the knot at the end. Now add around 8 pearls. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After doing this step, you have to make cast on stitch. Scoop some fabric with needle. And now make one cast on stitch like this and add one pearl. Just flip it like this. Again make one cast on stitch from this side and one cast on stitch from another side like this. And one more thing to remember, I have taken around 18 to 20 inches of the ribbon. After doing this, slip one more pearl and make one cast on stitch from this side. Repeat the same thing and another cast on stitch from this side. Now add one more pearl. Make one cast on stitch this side and one more from this side. Again slip one more pearl. Now you have to add all the pearl like that. When you add the last one, we'll teach how to end this. This is my last pearl I'm adding. When you add last pearl, just do one cast on stitch the way we did it in starting, so you have to end in the similar manner. Now you have to start pulling very carefully and slowly. At the end, you have to again go inside the fabric and end this circle like that. And in the center, I'm going to add the same pearl. If you want, you can use the bigger one or with different color. After adding center pearl, you can stabilize the motif just by giving some extra stitches. Like this. This beautiful button or hand embroidery design is ready.